Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a little demo showing you how you can import the graphics created in my program Raster Master into Freepascal. So this is my program here. It's a simple sprite editor, icon editor. You can create small images up to 256 pixels wide and 256 pixels high. And what this allows you to do is simply export the image uh, so that you can display it easily with the put image command. Now I already have this little demo ready, and you can tell by the name here it's a little truck. And let's just go over the code here. So we're just going to select the graphics driver and graphics mode and initialize the screen and fill the color, set the screen blue by drawing a bar that covers everything, and then use the put image command and display our little truck. Let me update that. And if we run this, we get exactly that. We get a green little truck there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to draw, let's switch to 16 color mode and new. Let's just draw something else now. It's just a random shape. It doesn't mean anything. And I'm going to clip this and file, export, Freepascal, and let's call this FPSH1. And minimize this, and I'm going to read it in. Control KR, FPSH1.con. And there we go. So that worked perfectly. And I'm going to change the name here. FPSH1. And there's our shape. So that's all there is to it. And you could use the 256 color mode as well. So if we go to palette and select that, you get the additional colors and everything works the same way. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.